Hi, welcome. I'm Florian from ComSpice, and in video 3 I want to show you how we can deal and work with custom sections. Yes, custom sections we have received from Inventor, from somebody else we don't know, and we want to turn those solids into advanced steel sections. I have a file prepared here for us, and when we now inspect this little piece of, could be aluminium, could be steel, could be whatever, could be from a lighting system, you name it. And so when I select this now, it's just a very definite solid. It has no information whatsoever, and it is not even known in advanced steel neither. So how can we turn this now into an advanced steel section? I hope I have your attention. So I just go quickly to a top view, and I have a tiny other thing prepared for us, because you're probably familiar that advanced steel allows to create all kinds of custom sections. So under the extended modeling, I made use of my user section features. I have this prepared already. This geometry, you could have used maybe a flatshot command, just flatshot the 3D solid. You just need to do this once in your life, and then it's actually part of the advanced steels database. So let's look it up after we have created this section, where it would end up. I believe that under the home we should have somewhere some management tools, and under the management tools we have a table editor, and we could have a look into some of the profiles. So making use of the filter, we're looking for the master profile table, and ideally we have table name. Let's organize it where we need to go down a little bit to the U, because we are dealing with the user section. So select that's user, and I'm going, who sees it first? Here it is, custom ABC section. So let's highlight here this row. This is according to how I call it. We see here custom demo ABC, and then we have here the type underneath. So this is how it created it. So user custom demo ABC, and has here this type name text. So if you now just snatch here the second name, which is here my user custom demo ABC, just do a tiny copy, then I can create and save this to a new file. So this information including the section as well. So which means that we have here a table name called user custom demo ABC. Let's have a look how this looks like. So it's here a custom demo ABC. So this is the table we have here, and we have here the standard name and the section name, including the geometry of my custom section. So it was stored nicely, and we save the section name together with the other table name in a new file, creating a new blank file for our Cocoon Maker, and then we can create this section. So let's have a look. I have prepared this already for us here. When we quickly go here to edit, we find here our user demo ABC. Just a simple semicolon would do it, and then we can have here our section name with it. Okay, so we can just save this here in this file and tell our Cocoon Maker, please figure out what this section is, so that I can convert this into an advanced steel section. All right, great. So having done so, let's close this, and we find under our Cocoon panel here the Cocoon Maker as well. So it's here under the ComSpice, and so we can make use here under our Cocoon Maker. We can just now specify this file I have just created here before, custom section blank. Let's open this one up, and how do we want to save it? Let's say maybe the same name instead of blank. Let's call it mapped. And after we have here section, custom section mapped, let's save it. It creates something. Let's have a look at the file, because you probably are interested what it actually did. And then we can quickly go here to our custom section mapped. Right mouse click, tiny edit. It did calculate a couple of numbers to our profile. And yeah, well, based on these cryptic numbers, we can now convert our solid to an advanced steel section. So this is a custom one, because all other built-in tables within advanced steel we have created for you guys already, so you can actually use them. But if you have something custom coming, then it's certainly yeah, well, you need to help yourself. And here's where Cocoon Maker helps us. So look, using now Cocoon to convert this into an advanced steel section, literally this solid we have, we just make use of our mapped file we have just created. Open this up. Okay, let's work with the boundary. System line at the top. Nope. Well, let's give maybe a tolerance, because we have a couple of radiuses around and about. And then, yeah, let's filter the object, and we see that when we separate those, that our unknown solid with no information whatsoever was turned into a custom advanced steel section. So now I can use all kinds of connections. I can create my shop drawings, and that was done. Maybe you could have had maybe 1,000, 2,000 of these sections, small tiny little pieces, like you were maybe have an exhibition you designed and you wanted to create the shop drawings for this aluminum profile. You can now do this very easy, quickly, completely parametric, BIMified it, exhibition night, fied it, so to say, into a parametric section, and then make use of the wonderful, great features advanced steel offers us. So I hope it showed you a little bit, showed you guys a little bit the option what we have here, where Cocoon Maker actually fits in. And yeah, I hope you enjoy, and yeah, save a lot of time.